girl, Cadisha. How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Welcome if you're new here. Hi! Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy. So, today's fashion video, we're going to do Secret Numbers Privacy at the Sound K, at the radio station. I think it's called Sound K. I'm not entirely sure, but one of my subscribers wanted me to react to it, so I got you covered, sis. Don't you worry. And if you have a K-pop artist you want me to check out, group, or K-hip-hop, let me know in the comments below. I'm so down to listen to music because, like, I love it. If you guys follow me on my social, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Twitch, have fun over there, y'all. And also, guys, hey, so make sure you guys vote for a secret number at the Mama Awards. What are you doing? If you haven't already, sis, get it together. Vote for your queens, all right? All right, and I'm hosting a live stream, guys. My very first live stream for my Indonesian fans, Korean fans, Malaysia, Philippines. It's Sunday morning at 11 a.m. I should post a screenshot here for the time difference. And for my Canadian fans, it's gonna be 9 p.m. Saturday. So make sure you guys tune in my live stream, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the below, and so I'll answer them on Saturday. So yeah, let's just get this party started. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's just get this party started. Before I forget, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I don't think I said that part of my intro, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video 5 days a week. And let's just get this party started. Let's get it. All right. Ooh. Oh, loving the looks. Loving the looks. All right, let's get it. Ooh, comes through, sis. Get it, girl. Get it, vocal queen. Ooh, girl. Hey. Yes, sis, you better sing. She's so cute. Aw, she's too cute. Get it, girl. Is there a dance choreography to this? I wonder. Hey. Hey. Come through. Hey. I love the beat though. The beat is fire though. The beat is fire. Are y'all hearing the beat though? Hey. 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 Sing it, sis. Get a girl. You're gonna feeling this. It's so cute. I love your little cute little outfits though. Okay, I'm guessing there is a dance performance because they'd be dancing. Like, sis, drop the video. I need to see this now. Make sure you guys vote for them, you know, for Mama Awards. Get it together. You better. You better. The song is a bop. Oh my gosh. If you guys have not downloaded this already, make sure you guys download this song, okay? Woo! Oh, that was really cute. That was really cute. I really like that. Well, guys, that was everything. The girls were living. I think there's a dance video coming up because they've been doing some choreographies I have not seen yet. Well, maybe I have. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I did not see that. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodles!